I'm gonna call this one almost Kiwano margarita, because we got the Kiwano, we got the tequila, and we got some lime, but I asked a guy in the parking lot at Ralph's, how do you make a margarita? And he says, oh, you just get tequila and ice and lime, and he forgot to tell me about triple sec. So I guess we'll be making it again, but this one's going to be called almost Kiwano melon margarita. So the recipe usually is 3 ounces of juice, lime juice, but we're going to use this, 3 ounces of triple sec, and 6 ounces of tequila, which seems like a lot of alcohol, but we're going to go for that recipe, and I think we're going to try to make 2 out of it. And when we get the triple sec, we're going to do it again. So I'm going to use 6 ounces of juice. Now that is a picture. Very, very pretty. I didn't even bother to cut off the spines. I'm just scooping it out, and it's scraping it off so easily because it's very ripe and ready. So this is it with the Kiwano melon cleaned. Look at that. It all came off. It's beautiful. This is perfect, perfect, perfect. I'm going to take these out and eat them, but I didn't want to waste them, so I did scrape them out. But I'll eat them, and then the rest of the Kiwano melon will go into the tequila. I'm not going to use lime today because I want to see whether it will be flavorful enough on its own without the lime. Alright, we decided orange juice instead of orange liqueur. We're going to use a funnel. It's our homemade funnel. Anything to feature our DIY funnel. And I like the seeds. A lot of people don't want you to eat the seeds. I like the seeds. It's like cucumber. You eat the cucumber seeds, and look how pretty that is. Okay, so that is 1 part. Then we're going to do 1 part of orange juice. So that's 1 part Kiwano melon, 1 part orange juice. And now we're going to fill that much tequila, which looks like a lot, but let's just say it's not. There was some discussion about how we would figure out the 1-1-2 measure, and so that's how we did it. So this is how much tequila we're using, and this is as if it were Kiwano melon and triple sec. And now I'm going to put it into here with some ice, but we might have to do it in 2 batches. Okay, here we go. We have a lot of peels. Holy cow. When asked what it tasted like, the response was, I'm not sure. I'm not sure either. I'm thinking the next time we make it, aside from having the triple sec, we will definitely add some lime. I think the Kiwano melon doesn't lend itself quite enough flavor for a margarita. That's just my take on it.